Hey Libra, getting ready to do your general reading. This is going to be from the 9th of October till the 16th of October for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus signs. Oopsies. Okay. You got this card. It fell out, so I'm going to be keeping it right here. Ace of Cups, guys. Beautiful card at the bottom of the deck. Overall energy is Ace of Cups. So I'm getting the feeling that you guys were involved in a romantic relationship with a person who did not very easily, communicate very easily with you. There was lack of communication, there was lack of stability, and it was as if they made them feel as if you were asking for the world when only you were just asking for attention, some love, and kindness, and yeah, a bit of an understanding as well. So this is not a gender specific reading. The energies could be reversed. If you're a cross watcher checking out for a Libra, this could be you as well. You put Libra through this, or they put you through this energy. Well, whatever it was, it ended very painfully. One of you moved on, the other one tried to isolate themselves. Now, this could be you, Libra, who tried to move on, or who has moved on, or is trying to move on, or this could be your person. Whatever it was, I feel this relationship started in a haste. It was like a leap of faith that you both took. And you guys didn't realize that there was a stark difference between two of you. You both were totally different people, two absolutely um, how do you say, you were really different, and with two absolute um, different schools of thought. Your upbringings were different. I think you, Libra, were more on the easygoing liberal side, but your partner was a bit traditional, a little orthodox, belonged to a family where certain things were considered a taboo, or they were considered a strict no, and that created a rift between the two of you, and it did not end very well. I think the person that you were involved with could be very close to their mother, or there was somebody like a mother figure in their life who was constantly guiding them against this connection. While you were unaware of this, and when it ended, it came as a shock to you. It came as a it was like a tower moment, basically. It was a big shock to you. It was hurtful. And they didn't realize that they were being really selfish. They were just being somebody who just takes and never gives back because of their upbringing, guys. That's what they were taught, probably. You can't blame the person if their upbringing was a little faulty. But I'm pretty sure this person had a lot of influence of this mother figure. And well, yeah, it ended. And I feel they were not very clear about their situation. They were very confused. They did not know what to focus on. And probably that is why they were slacking in their responsibilities towards their family, and this mother figure had to step in, probably. And that's why she just, um, you know, asked them to let go of this connection. Now, this could resonate with everyone or no one. So, take what resonates with you guys. You got the moon card twice. Okay. Yeah. They were very confused. They did not understand what to focus on, guys. You were a part of their life, but they had like several other boxes in their life that needed their attention, but they were not paying attention to that, and they were just paying attention to you, which she did not like. Anyway, your energies, you're moving on. Your person's energies, they are still in that dark phase. They're not willing to let go of. Probably they are filled with regret of how they behaved with you. They lost out on a good person just because they weren't clear about what they wanted. Libra, I feel that this could be your energy as well. You were constantly fighting with your mother or somebody you considered as a or like a mother figure. Could be an elder sister, somebody like an aunt, and that is what needs healing over here. If this is your energy where you could not you can't forgive this mother figure because they influenced you to let go of this connection. But I don't think that these are your energies, because simply because it fits in with your partner's energies. But in case you need to heal any mother issues, you should, because they're creating a blockage when it comes to your manifestations. And you've got the Make a Wish card. So at this very moment, make a wish, Libra. It's going to be manifested very soon. Your person is very confused, Libra. But I don't think you are in that energy anymore. You're moving on, you're doing things that are, fulfilling and making you feel good. Probably this connection created a lot of um, angst and arguments with your parents. You need to have a heart to heart conversation with your parents and tell them that this is over, or how you're dealing with this. They want to be a part of your life, Libra. I think that's what, you'll know your situation better. And guys, it's okay to be different. That's what you've got. You don't need to be like everyone else. You're perfect just the way you are. Don't worry. If this person tried to change you, they were wrong. This person. Just because they were traditional and orthodox and their upbringing was different from yours, you don't need to change for anyone. The moment you open up to your parents, the moment you bring in that love from your family, the situation will reach a peaceful resolution, guys. A new start is coming. Amazing. Look at the bigger picture. This had to happen, it's happened. This was a part of your karma. We all do something or the other, and we have to bear the fruit of our actions in this lifetime, right? So take it that way and start moving, guys, because a new start is awaiting you, Libra. And I don't think you need to be apprehensive about anything. Just take everything in your stride, because you're a very strong sign, Libra, and you make wonderful friends. So have faith, because there are people who love you, your family, your friends, other people who are very fond of you, teachers, mentors, and yeah, I see good things for you, Libra. Carry on. Great energies and great going at moving on. Bye. Thank you for watching.